Hello students, how are you? Hope you are fine and healthy and have written your EVS unit test paper. So now we are going to start with our 7th chapter, that is saying without speaking. Through heading of the lesson you can be confused. How we speak without saying? It is possible? Yes, I will solve your confusion by explaining this lesson. Students, you know we have 5 sense organs: eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin, which help us to know the world around us. In this picture also, I have shown you 5 sense organs. They all are related to our brain. Okay, so through eyes we see the world, through mouth we speak, through tongue we taste, through ears we hear, through nose we smell, and through skin we feel. Okay, so these are the 5 sense organs which connect us to the world. But many people are there around us who cannot see, hear or speak. Then how they express their feelings? They express their feelings through facial expressions and handy gestures. जो लोग बोल नहीं सकते, सुन नहीं सकते, देख नहीं सकते, वो पूरी दुनिया से कैसे अपने फीलिंग्स शेयर करते होंगे? दे शेयर देयर फीलिंग्स थ्रू देयर फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस, मतलब उनके फेस पे जो भाव आते हैं, एक्सप्रेशंस आते हैं, और वो अपने हैंड को घुमा कर गेस्चर बना के कम्युनिकेट करते हैं. सो लेट अस रीड अबाउट दिस इन अवर चैप्टर. Let us play game Dumb Charades. Let us play a game. In this game, everyone has to let others know what they want to tell without speaking. बिना बोले हमें एक्शन करके दिखाना है कि हमें क्या बताना है. गेम है ये. Divide children into small groups. Your teacher will give each group a piece of paper with the situation written on it. Okay, understand? Now each group will read what is written on the paper and prepare a silent act. Silent act means without speaking they will act, reading on the paper what is given situation to them. Keep in mind that you cannot speak. You can express through your face and body actions. When all the groups are ready with their act, they have to perform one by one in front of other groups. Okay, so one group will come and one person from that group will come forward and act the situation that was given in the paper. The others will have to guess what is being acted out, and the group that is sitting other side, they will guess what is being acted out, what is he trying to say. Okay. Now let us start think and tell. Question 1. How did you like this game? Answer. I found the game interesting but somewhat difficult. Why you find it difficult? Because we don't know the hand gestures, how to make, how to show our expressions. So we found it somehow difficult. Question 2. Do you feel any difficulty in talking through actions? Yes, I found it difficult to act without speaking. Question 3. Have you ever seen anyone talking through actions? Yes, I have seen mime artists and deaf-mute people talking through actions. Look students, I have shown you a picture of mime artists. Who are mime artists? Mime artists are the person who do stage show without speaking. They paint their face with white paint and wear the clothes like Joker and do the actions, and with their facial expressions and hand gestures they do all the act. So these persons are known as mime artists. Okay. Now question 4. When do people need to talk like this? When a person is deaf mute, people need to talk like this. Okay, because deaf mute people can't able to listen to us, so we have to speak to them like this. Okay. Look at the picture. Children are talking through actions in the picture. You observe these two children, they are talking through actions. Most of us can hear and speak, but there are some people who can neither hear nor speak. These people talk through actions. They understand what the other person is saying by studying their lip movements. All of us cannot do everything. Some of us sing well, others write good poetry, some can climb trees quickly, while others can run fast. Some can draw well, others can sing in tune. We are all special in our ways. Hence, in schools, we can learn from each other. Like all children, children who cannot speak and hear also go to school to read and write. In schools, sign language is taught to them. Keep in mind, in school, sign language is taught to the children, those who are not able to speak and hear. Which language? Sign language. What is the meaning of sign language? Sign language means the hand gestures. Through hand actions, they can tell their problems, tell their feelings. Okay. Let us read about a child who cannot hear, yet who can do many things. So now we are going to read about a story of a child who cannot hear, yet can do many things. Me and my sister. Small girl Chaku. She cannot hear. She is deaf by birth. Her elder brother is Nandu. Nandu and Chaku play together. Chaku plays the piano very well. Which instrument she plays very well? Chaku plays very well? Yes, piano. She likes to feel the deep rumbling chords, but she will never be able to sing. Why she will never be able to sing? Because she is deaf mute. She cannot hear the tune. She likes to leap, to tumble, to roll, to climb to the top of the monkey bars. Now, my sister has started going to my school. Although our mother still helps her lip read at home. The teacher and children do not understand every word she says, like sister or water or thumb. I wore my sunglasses yesterday. The frames were very large. The lenses are very black. My sister made me take them off when I spoke. What do my brown eyes say to her brown eyes? Why she removed sunglasses of his brother? Because she removed it as she wanted to read the expressions of her brother's eyes and face, because face is the mirror. As Chaku is unable to speak and hear, so her mother teaches her lip reading so that she can understand what the people are saying to her. Teacher is also trying to teach her, and she tries to understand the things by the eyes and face expressions. This poem is written by Jenny Whitehouse Patterson. Extract from the poem, I have a sister, my sister is deaf. Page number 48. Our eyes tell a lot. Small children tell a lot through their face and hands even before they learn to speak. They understand a lot too. How they tell us their actions through their face and hands. Now our face is mirror. Our face expressions can tell us we are happy, sad, angry, scared. So in this picture also, in first picture, the boy's face shows us that he is happy, and in the second picture, the boy's facial expressions tells us that he is sad, he is unhappy. Now next, think and tell. Observe children of about 6 to 8 months. How do they express themselves? So answer is, a child about 6 to 8 months usually expresses through making strange sounds, facial expressions and hand gestures. Because he can't speak, बोल नहीं सकता तो आवाज़ें निकालता है, फेस बनाता है, हैंड उठा उठा के दिखाता है. सो थ्रू दिस ही tries to express his views. Okay. Now next is read and draw. You must be wondering what kind of faces these are. They have no eyes, no nose, no mouth. In this picture also you can see. Now you have to make these, but only after reading what is written alongside. So what is written? This is Aftab. His favorite toy has fallen down and broken. He is sad. How will his face look? अभी sad face कैसा दिखेगा? This face is blank. So I have shown here, draw here a new face, that is sad face. Look at that face and try to draw it yourself. Okay. This is Julie. Her little sister was born just yesterday. She is very excited. How will her face look? Now as she is excited, her face will look happy face, excited face. So this face is given blank, but I have drawn a happy face here. You also try to draw. This is Rutva's mother. Today while Rutva was taking out the bottle of pickle from the kitchen, it fell from her hand and broke. Draw the look on her mother's face. Students, when you broke something in your house, which type of expressions your mother shows? Same expressions you have to show in this picture. I have also given a picture here. Try to draw like that. This is Rehana. She is afraid of dogs. While playing, suddenly a dog came in front of her. How will Rehana's face look? कैसा दिखेगा अगर सामने से अचानक डॉग आ जाएगा तो? So you have to draw that picture. I have also drawn it. By looking at someone's face, we can tell if the person is happy, sad or angry. Has it ever happened that you had done some mischief and your mother found out just by looking at your face? कभी ऐसा हुआ है? Yes, it happens many times with me. We can talk through dance as well. In dance, the hands and face are used to convey feelings. These are called mudras and bhavs. Look at the given figures and do these mudras. इस तरह से hand mudras बनाने की try करो. Learn some more dance mudras and do them. So first mudra, it shows the expression of bud. Second shows flower shape. Third shows snake shape. And fourth is Matsya mudra, fish shape. Okay. Now a beautiful story we have to make through looking at these pictures. So look at these pictures and guess, make your own story, tell the story to your friends and discuss. I have made a story. You can also make your own story. So my story is, once upon a time on a huge tree there lived a joyous squirrel. She used to dance, sing, run and laugh all day long. One day she collected rice and some vegetables and cooked vegetables fried rice. She invited her friends like the crow, the myna, the rats and the bees. All her friends enjoyed the party. They all thanked to the squirrel. You like this story? You can make your own story too. Okay.